Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Here's our Sarasota Bay webcam. We'll put this into motion. Check it out now. Starting at 3:37 this morning, advancing it to the current time, and it's a polar bear and a snowstorm, basically. We have a dense fog advisory up through our area for until 9 o'clock. Now, that shot was actually taken in Sarasota at the Van Wezel, out of the area of the dense fog advisory. But as I've been saying all morning, just because you live a quarter mile south of University does not mean that you won't see any fog because you're not in the dense fog advisory area. Anywhere across our area, as long as we have a westerly wind flow, we have the potential of seeing some reduced visibilities. Venice coming in at a quarter mile right now, Sarasota coming in at the airport at half mile. So with that westerly component to our wind, which we currently have, northwest now at about 5, and a dew point temperature match at 100%, got that possibility of some patchy fog that could limit your visibility during these morning hours. Allow for that for your commute time this morning. Otherwise, by 9 o'clock this morning, that fog will begin to lift. We'll see the clouds begin to part as a frontal boundary sinks southward, and we are on the road at that hour to some lovely weather as we head into the afternoon. 64 degrees at that time, 69 degrees by 12 noon. The clouds will have lifted. We'll see more sunshine in the afternoon, mostly sunny skies. Temperature coming in well above average at 74. We'll probably top it out at about 75 for a daytime high and then taper off this evening to about 67 degrees. There is a little bit of cloud cover out there. That's associated with the frontal boundary sinking southward, but that is in the process of kind of breaking apart right now. The forecast calling for some pleasant weather for you today. We'll look for north wind coming in at about 10, switching to the northeast at about 10 as well. As I mentioned, the cloud cover is associated with that frontal boundary. The frontal boundary has a wind shift involved with it that'll draw down some of the drier air that's located just to the north. That drier air will be with us for about 12 to 20 hours. And then we'll see the wind shift once again to the east, and that will provide us with a little bit more moisture. So there's a potential tomorrow morning for a little bit of patchy fog around here as well. We'll be watching for that. As I mentioned, the north wind shifts to the east overnight, bringing that moisture back temporarily. We'll have 2-foot seas. Light chop should be a pretty nice day for boating. Forecast looks like this. I don't have a first alert forecast day in the forecast anytime this week. One of those nice weeks where everything is looking pretty good. Daytime high today, 75, mix of sun and clouds. This tomorrow afternoon, we'll see 78 degrees as a daytime high, pretty close to the 80-degree mark. Average temperature for this time of year, about 72. So we're well above average each and every day this week. We'll have a series of little fronts that'll move through, but they won't bring us any rainfall. Maybe some cloud cover Wednesday into Thursday, but then that cloud cover gives way to some less humid air for Friday. Humidity's back on Saturday with another front coming our way and a chance of rain both Saturday and Sunday. Back to you.